All right, so we're going to assume that most CBRs are the same, the fuel gauge at least. So you have your fuel pump, right? This is your fuel pump. All right, and this is your float right here. And all this does is you have this little strip here, and I think this is magnetic. I'm not really sure, but I think that as this goes up, the resistance goes up and down. And basically all I did was to test this. You see you have the black and then the red with the black stripe. That is your float basically. And what I did is I ran some Belden into it just for the sake of the video. And then I attached it down here just to these clips. These clips I have attached to the meter. And then you can see it's 126 ohms basically when empty. When the tank is empty, it's 126 ohms. I don't know what it's supposed to actually read, but my pump, my pump's broken too, so it could be less, it could be more, but the sensor works. But see, as you raise this right here, like this, go up and down, the ohms go down. So watch. I'm gonna start lifting the ball as the tank is filling up, right? It's filling up, it's filling up, it's filling up. And once it's all the way filled up, basically goes to like 1 ohm. And that's about it. If you have that working, if it's really low ohms and this is all the way up, and you can go through the entire range. As I go down, it starts to go down, blah, 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 all the way to 125 again. That means your fuel sensor works on your fuel pump. Now, you really don't have to take your fuel pump out. If you wanted to, you could just siphon the gas out of your tank and then just do what I just did here on the bottom of your tank. Just pull those off and test it like that. Fill your tank up at the same time. This fuel pump's bad, and if you wanted to test if your fuel pump is good, you see that yellow with red. All you would do is you would take that red wire, or whatever wire you wanted, jam it into there, into this third one right here, and then you jump that to your battery basically to give it 12 volts. If it primes, it means your fuel pump's good. If it doesn't prime, it means your fuel pump is probably bad. One other thing you can do is you take a reading, an ohm reading from right here. You see how you have, it goes into this thing right here. You take an ohm reading, basically, so it's this one right here. You have this cap right here, pull the cap up. You place your meter here, and then you place your other lead right here, and you should get about an ohm, but mine is broken. So I have it set up right there, right there. And I'm getting 9 mega ohms right now, so it's fucked. You should get an ohm, like an ohm, not like that. It's ridiculous. All right, bye.